I, Dr. Jagtaj Singh, working as a professor at Jadavindra College of Engineering. Today we will discuss Kirchhoff's current law. Kirchhoff's current law. It states that in any network of conductors, the algebraic sum of currents meeting at point or junction is 0. It states that in any network of conductors, the algebraic sum of currents meeting at a point or junction is 0. Suppose this is the point. Here incoming current I1, outgoing current I2, the outgoing current I3, incoming current I4, outgoing current I5. Incoming current is taken as positive and outgoing current is taken as negative. So we will apply Kirchhoff's law at this point A. So I1 is incoming current, so it is taken as positive. I1 plus I2 is outgoing current, so we will take it negative. I3 again outgoing current, it is taken as negative. I4 is incoming current, it is taken as positive, plus I5, it is also outgoing current and taken as negative. So I1 minus I2 minus I3 plus I4 minus I5 equal to 0. I1 plus I4 पॉजिटिव साइन इधर ले लो, नेगेटिव साइन परले पासे ले जाओ. I2 प्लस I3 प्लस I5. सो I1 प्लस I4 की हो गया इनकमिंग करंट्स, ये की हो गया तुहाडा outgoing currents. Just say we can say the sum of summation means sum of incoming currents is equal to sum of outgoing currents. So KCL can also be defined as, thus in any electrical network at any point or junction, the sum of incoming current is equal to sum of outgoing currents. Sum of incoming currents is equal to sum of outgoing currents. Sum of incoming currents is equal to sum of outgoing currents. This is the another definition of Kirchhoff's law. Thus Kirchhoff's law KCL current law, Kirchhoff's current law states that in any electrical circuit at any point or junction, the sum of incoming currents is equal to sum of outgoing currents. This is another definition of Kirchhoff's law. Thank you.